Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I am going to be unboxing and installing the Antec Kuhler H650 liquid CPU cooler. They just have some specs, some more stuff what I really don't care about, more stuff, sadly some damage to the box, but yeah, who cares. And yeah, here we have just some recycled egg carton things. Pull that out. Here we have some foam. What goes there? What's this one here? The installation guide, which I most likely will be using, but then again, most likely not. Warranty. Fan brackets, I think, some mounting gear. Sorry about my chair, guys, it is quite squeaky. And oh, I thought this said do not bat, but it says do not eat. Some silicone shit. And bump the camera again, surprise, surprise. And here we have a liquid cooler with thermal paste already on it, which I will not be using. I have Arctic Silver 5. And yeah, I love the smell of new technology. Anyway, that's the unboxing video. I will show you more and the installation. See you then. Well, great, my tripod just broke, so I won't be using it anymore. Anyway, as I wanted to try and do, camera focus, is we're removing the stock CPU cooler thingamadoodle. Oh yeah, this is quite hard one-handed. Okay, so I just got it lifted off, so here it is. If you ask me, I reckon I did a pretty decent job at the thermal pasting. You know, I've got to get rid of that and clean all this shit off. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so sadly it's dark in here, but I have lights everywhere that aren't working. But the CPU has been cleaned. So now, not quite sure what this fan bracket's for, but whatever. Now I've got to get these mounting plates in place. I'm going to do that off camera because it'll just be easier. So yeah. Alright, so it's done. Remind me never to do this again. That was hell to try and get this thing in and working. The blue LED fan's doing okay. The other one is not in yet because I need a Molex connector for it, which is a pain in the ass because I don't have enough what's-it-calls left. My graphics card for some reason isn't working. Like, the fan's on it, like the fan's going, but for some reason it won't let me actually use it. So I'm gonna have to look into that. As you can see, I'm using the integrated with the GPU plugged in, which is quite strange. But yeah, other than that, she seems to be working alright. I'm gonna leave it open. Just for now. So yeah, the temps, should have a look at the temps for you today. Yeah, left-handed. I used to idle at around about 45 degrees with the Intel stock cooler, and analyzing. Fuck, that thing's loud. I don't really care, but. And it's jumping about like a... Oh wait, this is 30, right? I was like, what? But no, it's idling at mid to high 30s, which is 10 degrees cooler. So sweet as it works. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna clean all this shit up. Catch you around.